In this video, I will show you how to make your LinkedIn account premium. Now, you need first to find this button telling you to try LinkedIn Premium for free. And if you are on app, you can find the button under Jobs. And on desktop, you can find it on any page. And if you proceed with the process of making your account premium, you'll need to choose whether you want to use the account for work or for personal goals. You need also to choose how you want a premium account to help you, and also choose the most important thing in your job search or on business growth. And after that, you need to choose your plan, career or on business. But you can also explore other premium plans like Sales Navigator Call and Recruiter Lite. And on each plan, you can first learn what it offers and the cost. And after choosing a plan, you can go on to subscribe, where you need to confirm your payment method and log into your Google account to access Google Play, and your LinkedIn Premium account will be ready. And if you go to Premium features, you can see all these exclusive features you get with the Premium account, like sending more emails and accessing on-demand courses. You can also go to settings and make some settings under subscriptions and payments. And to cancel your LinkedIn Premium subscription and switch back to a free LinkedIn account, you need to come to subscription details, then manage subscription, and go on to cancel your subscription. You can also cancel the subscription on Google Play under payments and subscriptions. Now, if you find this video helpful, like it, and if you want to grow and succeed on LinkedIn and other social media platforms, ensure you subscribe to this channel for more videos.